Qingdao Dongfeihong Engineering Machinery Company Limited, established in March 19, 2013, is a professional rebar processing manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of CNC rebar cage welding machine, CNC rebar bending machine, CNC stirrup bender, CNC wire straightening and cutting machine, CNC wire mesh welding machine, CNC rebar shearing machine, CNC rebar sawing and threading machine. We are located in Jining, China, the hometown of Confucius and Mencius, and the canal capital with a long history, beautiful scenery, convenient transportation, and developed economy. With the philosophy of, with practicality as foundation, we keep a foothold in the world with morality. We are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have obtained certificates such as ISO 9001, CE, as a qualified supplier of excellent construction units of construction groups in China. Our products sell well in countries in the world like Russia, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Ethiopia, Kenya, India, Sri Lanka. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Feihong believes that through unremitting efforts, we will become the most respected service provider of the integral steel processing solutions.